Hey guys, it's Ruby, and I'm just feeding the bird. What are you doing, Turkey? What are you doing, Susie? What are you doing? I'm just feeding them. And I thought I'd make a video of feeding them. Okay, so I was going to scoop up some in my hand. Ginger and Star are like, yes! Come here. Dig in. I usually just dump it in their dish and let them eat it. The duck's beaks tickle a lot. Want some more? Duckies, come here. Whoa, it's like eating my hand. Hi, babies. Some more. Alright, give some to you guys. The duck is eating me. Are you eating me? I'm just gonna dump some on me. There. Are you cute? Yep, and I know it. Susie. That tickles. Hi, Tiger. Want some? Okay. Okay. Duckies! Duckies! You're so adorable. Hi, Crystal. Hi. Here's Robin. Robin, you want some? Don't want? Okay. Want some more? Yum. Yum. Yummy. Hi, Ginger. Hi, Star. That's Mo that's eating out of my hand right now. And there's Larry. The female's walking away. The duck. Larry. I mean, yeah, that's Larry. That's Mo. Duckies. Come here. Or not. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Oh, yumminess. Here, take the whole scoop. Take the whole scoop. Come here. You guys are so cute. You're eating dirt right now, you do realize, right? And there's food right here. You guys are crazy. You guys are crazy. Abbott's like, yes. So there they are. Okay, I'm going to feed Max. Hey, Max. He likes to eat the chicken food even more than his rabbit food, but I do give him rabbit food for you guys that are concerned. I do give him rabbit food. Good boy. It's like a treat for him to eat some chicken food. There's the little babies. Okay, so we did name them, and I'm going to make a video on that shortly. Cuties. Cutie patooties. They're so tiny. I'm going to put them up for the night in about 5 minutes after I get all the birds in here. Hi, babes. Max, you're adorable. I've had Max for like 5 years now. They're like, there's food. Cuties. Cuties. Good boy. Alright guys, so I got everybody in here. Now I just gotta spread the food out. There's some in there. Another dish over here. I gotta go get some more food. Hang on. Alright, so I got another scoop. Just want to make sure that there's... I just dumped it on his head. I'm sorry, baby. He doesn't care. He doesn't care, does he? You don't care, do you? Good boy. Alright, so now I just spread out the food. Some more over here. And I'll put the rest over here. Alright, so they have plenty of food. I'll have the chairs out because I was sitting in here before. Alright guys, so now the last thing I have to do is clean up their water. So this is what they did to it all day. I mean all night. So I just gotta clean this out. And if you guys want to watch, I will record that. Alright, so here's the hose right here. I'm gonna attempt to record myself doing this. Might be a little hard to record, but I'm gonna try. Alright, so I just cleaned it all out, and now I just need to fill it up. So the reason why it is so dirty is because the ducks will do that in like a matter of 30 minutes. I'm not even kidding. She was talking. Not even kidding. It takes like 30 minutes for this to get that dirty. So yeah, ducks are definitely a handful, but they're very rewarding. Fun to look after, and their eggs taste delicious. Oh, the chicken. The baby chick just jumped on me. Oh, they're so sweet, guys. Hi, baby. Sorry, stop focusing. She's literally on my shoulder right now. She jumped all the way from right there, all the way over to me. Hi, baby. And then the other one followed. Hi. These are the sweetest little things, oh my gosh. So this is the ducks beginning to make a mess of the water. Yep. They have little stinkers. I actually have a video of them splashing around in the water, so if you guys want to watch that, you can go ahead and it's on my channel, so. Yum, yum. Ah! The ducks are like, ah! It's okay, everybody's okay. Oh, pff, oops. Max. Maxie boy. So I think that's all I want to talk about in this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like the button, hit the like. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos of animals. So see you guys next time. Hey, that was rude. Bye. Bye. They said bye too. I just cannot believe that jumped on my shoulder. That is just the sweetest thing. Bye, guys.